Do you also want to draw lines that look as if they are drawn from a scale, something like this? Or ever wondered how artists draw like this very easily because whenever you try to draw it yourself, it looks crap? But don't worry, I found the solution to your problem by creating 3 simple exercises that you can practice to become master at drawing straight lines. These exercises are going to be very easy and effective as well, especially for the beginner artists. But even intermediate and advanced artists can use these exercises to test out their skills. For these exercises, you don't require any fancy or expensive drawing tools. What you need are a few blank papers. I am using normal printing papers for this exercise. You can use any paper but try to avoid lining pages or expensive drawing sheets. Then you want a pencil. And that's it. Just a few papers and a pencil. I have arranged these exercises in such a way that with every exercise the difficulty will also increase. This means that the first exercise is the easiest and the third is the hardest. Now let's begin with the first exercise. For this, you need to make a point on the paper, then randomly put another dot a few centimeters away from the first dot. Try to keep the distance between 5 to 7 centimeters approximately. Then draw a line without lifting the pencil tip, joining these dots. And that's it. Now repeat the same process. Put a dot, then another dot, then join these 2 dots with a line. Keep on repeating this exercise by drawing lines in different angles like horizontal, vertical, diagonal. Try to draw lines in every possible angle. Do this exercise until your lines become perfect. Then only move on to the next exercise. For the second exercise, place a dot on the paper and another dot as well, just as we did in the first exercise. But this time, double the distance between these 2 dots. In the first exercise, it was approximately 5 to 7 centimeters, but this time increase it to approximately 12 to 14 centimeters. The lines need not to be exactly of 12 or 14 centimeter, but it is just a tentative measure. Now similarly, try drawing these lines in different angles, just as we did in the first exercise. Again, practice this exercise until your lines become perfect. Now we will move on to the third exercise and last exercise. But before that, if you have watched the video till this point, then please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. For the third exercise, place a dot on the paper, then another dot at random place and distance, then another and then another. At least place 4 to 5 dots at random distances. Now join the first dot with the second dot using a straight line, the second with the third with the fourth, and fourth with fifth. And remember not to lift the pencil tip while drawing these lines. It should be a single stroke only. This exercise will help draw lines in different angles and of different lengths with ease. Now if you want to increase the difficulty even more, then you can place as many dots as you want and also can increase the distance between each dot. And if you are able to complete this last exercise perfectly, then congratulations, you have become skilled at drawing straight lines. If you have watched the video till this point, then it seems that you want to improve your drawing skills. But being a beginner, you are doing a mistake, which 99% of beginner artists do, that stops them from improving their drawing skills. Click on this video to find out that one mistake and avoid it doing at any cost.